I don't think people understand just how exciting the world of cars can be. Tired of the same old boring car reviews? Drowning in a sea of technical jargon? Well, park your worries right here because Torque Talk TV is your new one-stop shop for everything exciting in the world of cars. This isn't some stuffy lecture hall, it's a high-octane joyride through the latest car tech, performance upgrades that'll make your engine sing, and tools that won't bankrupt you. Whether you're a seasoned grease monkey or just starting to explore the beauty under the hood, Torque Talk TV has something for you. We break down complex concepts into bite-sized chunks you can actually use, whether you're tinkering in your garage or just want to impress your mates at the pub. From the latest electric supercars to classic muscle car restorations, we're covering it all with the passion and knowledge you deserve. Get ready to rev up your engines because things are about to get interesting. I'm sure you've heard the news. The world of car technology is changing faster than a Formula One pit stop. Autonomous driving and futuristic car tech, it's enough to make your head spin. But don't worry, Torque Talk TV is here to demystify the jargon and explain it all in plain English. We'll break down the latest advancements in a way that's easy to understand whether you're a tech whiz or still think a Bluetooth connection is something you use at the dentist. Think of us as your personal pit crew, guiding you through the ever-evolving world of car tech. Explain how self-driving cars actually work. No more feeling lost in a sea of acronyms and technical terms. We'll give you the knowledge you need to keep up with the automotive revolution. We'll explore the mechanics that made classic cars so iconic, and even show you how to give your own vintage ride a technological boost without sacrificing its soul. So buckle up and get ready for a crash course in car technology that's informative, engaging, and most importantly, won't require an engineering degree to understand. Get ready to impress your mates with your newfound car tech wisdom. I don't think people understand the thrill of truly unleashing their car's potential. We all want to feel that adrenaline rush as we push our cars to the limit, hearing the engine roar with power. But before you go tearing up the streets, it's important to understand how to improve your car's performance safely and effectively. And that's where Torque Talk TV comes in, your guide to unlocking your car's true potential. We're not just talking about bolting on a giant spoiler and hoping for the best. We'll dive deep into the science of speed, exploring the best performance upgrades for every budget and skill level. Whether you're looking for a simple engine tune-up or a full-blown turbocharger installation, we'll show you what works, what doesn't, and how to get the most bang for your buck. We'll also cover essential upgrades for handling, braking, and aerodynamics, because going fast is only half the fun if you can't control the beast. We'll be right there with you every step of the way, offering practical advice, step-by-step guides, and honest reviews of the latest performance parts and accessories. Because hey, that's part of the fun of being a car enthusiast, right? You need to hear this if you're a car enthusiast on a budget. Now we all know that working on cars can get expensive. Between specialized tools, high-performance parts, and the occasional head-scratching moment that requires a professional, it's easy to blow your budget faster than a turbocharged engine on a drag strip. But fear not, fellow gearheads, because Torque Talk TV believes that you don't need a billionaire's bank account to work on your car. We're all about finding the best tools and equipment without breaking the bank. We'll show you how to build a well-stocked toolbox with affordable yet reliable tools that will last you through countless projects. From basic wrenches and screwdrivers to more specialized equipment like torque wrenches and multimeters, we'll guide you towards the best deals and offer tips on what to look for when buying tools. We'll also share clever hacks and DIY solutions that can save you money and time in the garage, because let's face it, sometimes the thrill of the hunt is half the fun. You need to hear this if you're a car enthusiast. Join the conversation. Here at Torque Talk TV, we believe that car enthusiasm is best enjoyed as a community. We want to hear from you, our fellow petrolheads. What are your dream cars? What projects are you working on in your garage? What automotive mysteries keep you up at night? Our comments section is your virtual pit lane, a place to share your thoughts, questions, and experiences with a community of like-minded car lovers. Got a burning question about car maintenance? Need advice on choosing the right performance upgrades? Want to show off your latest project car build? Don't be shy. Our team of experts and fellow enthusiasts are always happy to lend an ear, offer advice, and share in your automotive adventures. So don't just watch from the sidelines, jump into the driver's seat and become a part of the Torque Talk TV community. If you're a car enthusiast, then you need to subscribe. Your automotive adventure starts now. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to dive into the exciting world of cars, learn from the experts and join a community of passionate enthusiasts, then hit that subscribe button and join the Torque Talk TV family today. We're constantly uploading new videos, from in-depth car reviews and tech explainers to thrilling project car builds and exclusive event coverage. With Torque Talk TV, you'll never miss a beat in the ever-evolving world of automotive. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to embark on an automotive adventure with Torque Talk TV. We'll see you in the fast lane.